Testosterone deficiencies are very similar in a man or a woman. Testosterone level in a woman is often overlooked because people don't think of women as needing testosterone, but in fact they do. With men and women, it creates the same. We both get energy, strength, stamina, self-confidence. The optimal level of testosterone is going to give you much more sustained energy. You'll end up, when you optimize all of the hormones, you just end up with so much less systemic inflammation. So optimizing testosterone is just very, very important to have that muscle density up, the strength, the stamina, the drive, the focus, the self-confidence. As you see people get older in their 40s and 50s, that self-confidence goes down. You restore that testosterone. You watch people come back, their passion comes back, their zest for life, they're just completely revitalized in so many ways.